Hey, what's up guys, what's up everyone, and welcome to our channel. But of course today Ryu and Martin is not here with me, so I'm just gonna do a very quick unboxing, maybe a bit review, but this is a very quick one, guys. So this one is just picked up yesterday, and of course this one is the Spider-Man spider punk suit. This one is this one is released like a month or 2 months ago, I think, as I remember. And then I received a message to pick up this figure. Of course, this is by Hot Toys, 1/6 scale collectible figures, and it's a VGM32. So I'm just gonna remove the plastic very quick. He is not here. He is still in school. Martin also. So this is the box, guys, and you can open the front box. Yeah, it has a cover. Then you can see right away the figure and what's inside the box. And it has, oh, just like the first video game Spider-Man, it has also the spider tingle backdrop thing. Of course, the cast and crew right here. There you go. Right, very quick one, guys. Open the box. There's my cutter. Oh, I see. So the last time we unboxed the Spider-Man Scarlet Spider suit. Scarlet Spider suit. Yeah, Scarlet Spider suit. Yeah, we unboxed that one, and then it has the backdrop, but this one doesn't have. So up first, I'm gonna show you the, oh, okay, yeah, the accessory is almost the same with the let's say the first video game Spider-Man. Okay, I'm just gonna get first this one. There's the guitar. Please, oh, I love the guitar. The strings, it's real. I mean, it can move, but of course there's no sound. You guys can see it. Wow. And it has this, I forgot how do you call this one? The drone, spider drone, or like his toy, or yeah, maybe drone, yeah, remote control spider. Of course, the web. This web, the open web, which is the usual web. I mean, spider web included in every Spider-Man. And this one is the common webs, spider webs that you can play with. Holder right here, and an extra 2 pairs of eyes expression. It has 2. So the hands, extra 5 pairs of hands. I think it's the same with the rest of the Spider-Man figure. I mean the video game. And then of course the extra joint. And then there you go. This is the figure right here. The base. Wow, I like the base. Let me remove the plastic. Wow, nice, amazing. This one is not smooth compared to the two first version of video games. This one's nice. I like it. Very nice, right, guys? You can see right there. Wow, the design. I like the design, guys. Spider-Punk suit. There you go. There you go, guys. Amazing figure, guys. Very nice. Ooh, I got the same jacket. I mean, I got the same vest. The denim, this denim. I have some like pin here too, but not that many. But yeah, I love it. I like the suit. Oh, very nice, guys. That suit is very nice, guys. I mean, this part right here. Wow. It's very nice, guys. This suit. Yeah, I mean, if you guys like, if you pre-order this one's very nice, guys. The heads cup, this heads cup, of course it's plastic, made of plastic, so it's not really like match the color of his suit, because the suit, of course, it's fabric material, and it's very red. This plastic, this head is, I mean, like for plastic, a little bit lighter color. The denim, oh man, I like the denim. These bracelets, they're very nice too. I'm gonna add later a review, but that for now, yeah, so that's it. That's the quick one. Of course, it has the dynamic stand right here, okay, included. So yeah, that's it guys, just a very quick one. Just showing you what's inside the box, and then maybe later I'm going to add a quick review with Martin. Also a comparison with the other two video game Spider-Man. Yeah, so that's it guys, just a very quick one. Thank you for watching, and of course, yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, yeah, if you want to check out our next video and more updates on our collection. Stay on our channel, yeah, or I mean like keep watching our channel, yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching guys, see you later. It's very nice guys, I have to get close so you guys can see it. What? Look at that. Wow, the suit's very nice guys. Wow, nice, amazing. Peace.